In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find and add subtitles in VLC Media Player. This is a super useful trick if you're watching movies, TV shows, or foreign content, and the subtitles are missing or not showing up automatically. VLC is one of the most popular media players in the world, and the good news is that adding subtitles is quick and easy once you know where to look. Before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure you have VLC Media Player installed on your computer and your video file ready to play. Open VLC and load the video you want to watch. If the video doesn't already have subtitles built in, you'll need to download an external subtitle file. The most common subtitle format is an SRT file. To do this, open the browser and go to a subtitle website, such as OpenSubtitles. On the website, search for the name of your movie or TV show. Make sure you choose subtitles that match the exact version of your video, including the release year and runtime, so the timing stays in sync. Once you find the correct subtitles, download the SRT file to your computer. Remember where you saved it, such as your Downloads folder or desktop. Now that you have the subtitle file, go back to VLC. There are two easy ways to add subtitles. The first method is drag and drop. Simply take the SRT file and drag it directly onto the VLC video window while the video is playing. If the subtitles are compatible, they should appear instantly on the screen. This is the fastest method and works in most cases. The second method is using the VLC menu. While your video is open, click on Subtitle in the top menu bar. From there, click on Add Subtitle File. A file browser window will open. Navigate to the location where you saved your SRT file. Select it and click Open. The subtitle should now appear on your video. If you don't see the subtitles right away, double-check that subtitles are enabled by going to Subtitle and making sure a subtitle track is selected. You can also adjust subtitle size, font, and position by going to Tools, then Preferences, and clicking on Subtitles in OSD. This is useful if the subtitles are too small or hard to read. And that's it! You've successfully found and added subtitles in VLC Media Player using an external subtitle file. This method works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and it's perfect for any video that doesn't come with subtitles included. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more VLC tips and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.